Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, Healthy Secrets. In this video, we introduce you to rice pudding with almond milk, a modern and delicious version of the classic dessert that will surprise you with its incredible benefits. Asterisk, asterisk, reduces stress and anxiety, asterisk, 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 improves memory and concentration. Asterisk, 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 fights insomnia and depression. Asterisk, asterisk. Don't miss this easy, nutritious, and delicious recipe. Besides, discover the secrets to a perfect rice pudding. Learn about the importance of mental health for your well-being. Receive practical tips to improve your mood. A video for all ages and for life. Are you ready to transform your mental health? Subscribe to our channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any premiere. Did you know that a classic dessert can be your ally for mental health and nutritional iron? Discover the power of rice pudding with almond milk in this video. Rice pudding is a traditional dessert that has delighted palates for generations. But what if we told you that you can reinvent it to make it even more delicious and nutritious? We present almond milk rice pudding, a modern and healthy version that will surprise. For this recipe, we need the following ingredients: 1 cup of round rice, 3 cups unsweetened, almond milk, 1 cup coconut milk, 1 2-cup coconut sugar, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 2 teaspoon vanilla, extract 1 4 teaspoon salt, 1 4 cup raisins, optional, 1 4 cup chopped walnuts, optional. Now we are going to show you step-by-step the preparation of almond milk rice with attractive shots and dynamic angles. Wash the rice with cold water until the water runs clear. In a medium saucepan, combine the rice, almond milk, coconut sugar, cinnamon, vanilla, and salt. Bring to a boil over medium heat, then reduce heat to low and cover. Cook over low heat for 45-50 minutes, or until the rice is soft and the milk is thickened. Remove from heat and add raisins and walnuts if using. Let cool slightly before serving. Tips and secrets. For an even creamier rice pudding, you can use full-fat coconut milk instead of light coconut milk. If you don't have coconut sugar, you can use brown sugar or honey. You can add other spices to your taste, such as nutmeg or ginger. For a healthier version, you can use unsweetened almond milk and coconut sugar. This rice pudding can be refrigerated for up to 3 days. You can add fresh or dried fruits to your liking, such as strawberries, blueberries, or mango. You can add a splash of rum or brandy for a touch of adult flavor. You can sprinkle the rice pudding with cinnamon powder before serving. Beyond its delicious flavor, rice pudding with almond milk provides incredible benefits. Almonds are an excellent source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that combats oxidative stress and protects brain cells. Almond milk is rich in magnesium, an essential mineral for the nervous system that helps reduce anxiety and improve mood. Cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties that can improve cognitive function and memory. Vanilla has a calming and relaxing effect that can help combat insomnia and depression. For people with food intolerances or restrictions, they can consider doing rice pudding with oats, rice pudding without sugar recommendations. Enjoy rice pudding with almond milk as part of a balanced and healthy diet. Combine it with other nutritious foods for greater benefit. Don't hesitate to experiment with different flavors and toppings. If you want some creative ideas, add fresh fruits like strawberries, blueberries, or mango. Includes nuts such as walnuts, almonds, or hazelnuts. Experiment with spices like nutmeg, ginger, or cardamom. Rice pudding with almond milk is a delicious, nutritious, and beneficial dessert for mental health. It is suitable for all ages and can be adapted to different needs and preferences. Dare to try it and discover its incredible benefits. We invite you to share your experiences with almond milk rice pudding in the comments. Subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes and tips for better health. Awaken your potential and transform your mental health with the power of almond milk rice. Remember, visit the description to access natural products that will help you achieve your wellness goals. Subscribe to our channel, Healthy Secrets, and activate the bell so you don't miss any premiere. Share this video with all those who can benefit from this information. Leave your comment and tell us your experience with almond milk rice pudding. Check the links in the description of this video where you will find multiple healthy, natural products that will give you a better quality of life. Together we can build a healthier, happier community. Thank you for being part of Healthy Secrets. Don't forget to activate the bell to receive notifications of our new videos. Until next time.